Hi, welcome. Now I'm going to show you how to use EO month function to get the first day of the previous month for a given date. Okay, for example, here I have a set of dates. For that I'm going to find a first day of the previous month for this date. For example, in this date 26 July, the previous month is June. Okay, I want the first day of June, which is 1 June. Okay, why do we need to do this example? Because at times we have day months calculation and we want the previous month's first day and next month's first day, or previous month's last day, or the next month's last day, or this month's last day, or so on for our calculations of balance sheet or revenue calculation and all those stuff. So we will do a few examples which will help you familiar with these first days, last days, and also previous and the current month and the next month. Okay, so now what I have is EO function. Okay, EO function returns the serial number of the last day of the month before or after a specified number of months. Okay, so if you give a date, okay, then the EO function will return the that date's last month if we give the argument 0. Okay, for example, I explained to you, if EO month of the date, okay, then it will give you the end of month, but it also have the number of months you want to subtract or add. Okay, you want the next month or previous month or this month. For example, for this month you must give 0, so it will give the exactly the last day of this month. Okay, so now what we need is first day of the last month. Okay, so if you give 0, it gives this month. Okay, now if you give -1, it will move to last day of last month, previous month. But what we need is the first day, not the last day of June. Okay, for that what we are going to do is we will move the last month to one more month, that is the 2 months before. Okay, get the last day of 2 months before, then add 1, it will become the previous month's first day. Okay, add 1, you will get a first day of previous month. Okay, so what we have here is 26 July and we get 1st June. That is what our result. Okay, that is what our expected result. Okay, now I will show it to you one more time. What we need to do is EO month, end of month function, use the end of month function and pass the date, then move the month to not August to July, July to June. Okay, so the end of June you will get it, then add 1, then will become the beginning of July. Okay, so you minus of 2, then you are moving towards 2 months before and get the end of that month's date, then you add 1 to that, it will move to the -1's beginning date, plus 1 is this will give you 2 months before end of month, then add 1 is beginning of last month, 1st of July, 15th. Okay, similarly for November last month is October, then the first date is 1. Okay, for all the dates, October, 23rd October, previous month is September, the first day is 1 of September. Okay, this is the list. You can get it by using end of month function. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.